Hey traders, it's 46 minutes past 11 a.m. here in Brisbane on Thursday, the 7th of March, and I am in the ring with Kiwi Dollar. So let's take a look at what happened and what got me excited about this one. So let's go back into the 4 hours, and the level that I was looking at for my offense line was here, the area of the red line. Now, what happened from here? We actually didn't get that compressions of price. What we did was actually going lower. So we went lower and then pulled back, created this quick pullback, but not all the way up to the level, and then push to a lower low. So what we had here from this level is a push and a second push. But the thing from here, we got a strong bullish rejection candle and a strong push higher. So I like this a lot. You can also see here momentum indicators are pushing higher as well on this time frame. So I like this push. I like the fact that we came back from a lower low very fast. And what I was looking for is this spike. And let's drill down into the 1 hour and have a look so we can see the strength of the sellers that came from here and pushed lower. So when we came back into that area, we had here another bearish rejection candle. Now, this happened yesterday just before I was closing the chart for the day. And I like the fact that if and when we'll go ahead and break this high, break this week, then we most likely are going to break my original area of the offense line. And I was quite happy to start striking above this week. So I started my striking as the market went ahead and broke the high of this candle. Now for the difference line, I went a bit tighter this time. We can see there is on this 1 hour, there is a somewhat of a breakout level here. So this push that had the lower low and came back fast, we can see there's a couple of wicks around that area. So I've placed my difference line below that area. Now just to remind you, this pink line was an optional area for a point swing if and when the market will struggle around that area. But all of this activity actually happened during my night, so I wasn't even around when these candles were formed. So I only had my knockout line. So if we'll go down into the knockout line or really swing the chart lower to see the knockout line, it still sits around here. Now, another place that I could potentially move my difference line will be underneath this week, but currently I want to let the market have a little bit of a breather. So I could be more aggressive on this one and push the difference line below those weeks. I could move my difference line below this original offense line, and that will end up with a break-even match, or I could keep my difference line at this area. As the market is going right now, this is just the beginning of the Asia session. I am around. I'm going to let this one go a bit further, give me a bit more price action, give me a bit more information about how it's going to handle this area. We're currently sitting, it looks like a nice pullback, but it still remains to be seen. If I see some strong selling pressure compressing above this area, then I might look to exit this one for an area of the point swing. However, currently it still looks nice, and I'm gonna let this one ride. Happy knockouts, everyone. Bye for now.